Cloud migration, transforming business operations. In recent years, many businesses have chosen to shift their data and apps to the cloud. Cloud migration service, in brief, is the process of migrating data and digital assets, apps, and infrastructure to a cloud computing storage environment. While the process can be frightening, the advantages of cloud migration far exceed the drawbacks. In this blog, we will discuss about the concept of cloud migration service, its benefits, and how it may help your business. Understanding the concept of cloud migration. Cloud migration service means the transfer of applications, data, and infrastructure from on-premises systems to cloud-based platforms. It involves the process of resource virtualization, which enables enterprises to utilize computer power, cloud storage, and software applications over the internet by paying for them as they are used. Cloud migration service can be executed through several methods, such as utilizing infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS, platforms. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS, provides companies with virtualized computer resources, including servers, cloud storage, and networking. This allows businesses to circumvent the expenses and difficulties associated with overseeing tangible infrastructure. Platform as a service, PaaS, offers a comprehensive cloud-based platform environment for both development and deployment purposes. It provides enterprises with tools and frameworks for developing, testing, and deploying applications without regard for the underlying infrastructure. SaaS, software as a service, enables businesses to access and use software applications via the internet, removing the need for installation and maintenance. For key benefits of cloud migration, how it can transform your business. 1. Improved scalability and flexibility. One of the key advantages of cloud migration services is more scalability and flexibility. Cloud computing storage enables businesses to quickly scale their computing resources up and down as needed. This means that firms may rapidly adapt their infrastructure to manage traffic spikes or unexpected increases in demand. When businesses use cloud-based solutions, they no longer have to spend money on expensive hardware and software upgrades, maintenance, and support. Instead, they can pay for resources as they are needed. 2. Cost savings. It's feasible that moving to the cloud service will lead to big cost savings. Companies don't have to buy expensive hardware and software or pay for maintenance when they use cloud computing storage. Instead, they pay for resources as they are used. This can cut IT costs by a huge amount and give up money for other business projects. 3. Better safety and recovery from disasters. Moving to the cloud service can also improve security and make it easier to rebound from disasters. A lot of cloud services have strong cloud infrastructure security features like firewalls, intrusion monitoring, and advanced encryption standard. Also, they usually have a lot of data centers spread out in different places. This makes sure that data is backed up and can be quickly restored in case of an emergency. 4. Increased collaboration and productivity. Moving to the cloud service can also help employees work together better and be more productive. With cloud-based solutions options, employees can get to file sharing and applications from anywhere, at any time, on any device. This lets workers work on projects together and see each other at the same time, no matter where they are. Also, cloud-based apps are often updated immediately, so employees always have the most up-to-date version of the software. With cloud migration platforms like eShare.ai, anyone can work together wherever they are. 1. Integration with other apps. With the help of our platform, you can easily connect with your current workflow management by integrating diagrams from a variety of popular platforms such as Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, GitHub, Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Confluence, and Jira. 2. Real-time co-editing. Edit Word documents online, spreadsheets, presentations, and diagrams simultaneously with your team. See changes instantly and collaborate seamlessly, no matter the location. 3. Free online file sharing. Effortlessly share files with anyone, whether they're inside or outside your organization, using our free online file sharing platform. Simplify your workflow and enhance cloud collaboration with seamless, secure file transfers. Set access permissions to control who can view, edit, or download file from URL online. Track version history is available to see who made changes and when. 4. Built-in communication, eliminate the need to switch between apps. eShare.ai enables team members to engage in real-time collaboration chat, seamlessly ask questions, provide instant feedback, and make collaborative decisions all without disrupting their workflow management. Conclusion. Cloud migration service provides numerous advantages to enterprises, including increased cloud scalability and flexibility, cost savings, enhanced security, backup and disaster recovery capabilities, and better eShare.ai team collaboration and productivity and efficiency. While the process of moving to the cloud service might be difficult, the benefits far exceed the challenges. If you're thinking about cloud migration, you should consult with a respected supplier and create a complete cloud migration service plan. With the correct methodology, cloud migration may alter your company and keep you competitive in today's fast-paced business world. Ready to make the move to the cloud service? Choose eShare.ai, a data luggage partner, which is a one-stop tool for all your data on-the-go needs. Thanks for listening to vBlog. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.